Hi. In this slide, with this lecture set on the internet for 30 years, I'm going to start looking at some heavyweight stuff. And that is the role that AI and data are going to play in all your findings. Certainly, we've talked about this in earlier slides where the amount of data is going to be huge. It's going to be massive. You can't even begin to understand, yet alone see that sort of data coming out, but it will. It'll be massive. But we need to find ways of understanding all this data now that we have it. And that's where algorithms come in, and AI. In other words, artificial intelligence. I hate the word intelligence. It sort of smacks of being thinking and doing what it wants, but it isn't. It's just very smart algorithms sieving the data, comparing, and doing what it's told. And that is comparing the data to other sets of data to give you an answer. Now, architecture in its own right has hardly looked at this side of the business, but it will. We're starting to see now spatial use of algorithms that will compare what a client wants and do 10,000 permutations and give you the best three. How long would it take me to do that? Well, 2 or 3 years, more perhaps, just to do that. And these things have been done in, 2 or 3 minutes. So AI and the data cannot be separated. They come together. And it's a massive area of understanding. Where we store that data, we've already looked at. How will we store that data? And where and who with is in the next slide. But we need to understand this area. And it's a whole vast subject of our industry that we've hardly begun to look at. If you want to go onto external sites and start to look at data, then start to look at the Government Stats Office. I've given you a link on here. And there is just about every subject under the sun that government is collecting and issuing in the form of spreadsheets so that you can link to them. So have a look at this subject and integrate your thinking into the way that AI and data are going to form some form of catalyst in the looking at the way that our industry and the internet are going to change over the next 30 years.